We are here for Barrett's first college visit. We're in Ohio. We're at Ohio State University. Want to take a look? Let's go see what they got. Whoa, it's Brutus. Cool, dude. Okay, yeah. You definitely got to get some stuff in here. Okay, buddy. You got move-in day, Barrett. Okay. Keep that in mind. This is what you'll need. This is how you get your ID card, okay? Hang on to that one. All right, don't lose it. So my uncle just informed me that there's a very good donut shop nearby, and he said, this is what he said, that it is the best donut shop in the whole state, possibly ever. And I was like, donut shop? I mean, you guys know I'm the donut master, so if there's any rumors about a very good donut shop, we have to go check it out. So that's what we're gonna go do. If you didn't know, my new show on the Food Network is coming out in, I think, the end of July, maybe early August. It's called Dad Does Donuts. So be on the lookout for that, but let's get rolling.
My dad, he's a liar.
I'm just kidding about the donut shell, but maybe someday. But before we go over there, I'm not sure what this thing is over here. I want to check it out. What is this? It's like a weird bunker. Guys? I don't know, I saw it, I was like, is that like a fort down there? Who built this? But this is giving me fort ideas for when I get back to Colorado. Alright, let's go check out this donut shop. We are here. Reese's, something like that. Pretzels? Pretzels? And these are apparently the stick donuts, which it just looks like half a donut. I don't get it. Come on, Aaron. With the pecan, apple fritter, and the stick donut. Let's try. All right, apple fritter. You can't really see, but it had apples, like good apple chunks in it. So that's pretty good.
Aw, Barrett.
Post donut interview. The donuts were pretty good. Like pretty good. In the donut shop, it was a nice little bakery. It was, it was all really good. My uncle had the bar like way up here, and I'd say the donuts were like down here. This is where he said they were like down here. Still really good donuts. And actually, I would say, because we got a pretzel as well, I would say on the pretzel scale, that pretzel was very good. Like one of the best pretzels I ever had. So donuts were very good. Pretzels were excellent. Also, we got there kind of late, so they weren't like the freshest of fresh donuts. I'm sure if we got there like bright and early in the morning and they were like just came out of the oven, they would be like up here. So we were playing frisbee golf, but there's a storm coming and we're gonna lose all of our discs. Yeah. So, are you having fun playing frisbee?
Feels really good now.
I know, it was like insane hot, but now the storm came in, it feels so good, but there's too much wind. This is a cool frisbee golf course. Ah, I got hit with a raindrop. Run!
Your umbrella, Mary.
Yeah, where's the umbrella?
Broken.
It broke?
Oh, it snapped.
What?
I threw it away.
Today is Red, White, and Boom, which is like the fireworks display here in Ohio. And we've got our Ohio State gear on that we bought at the bookstore the other day. So I got my shirt. Ooh, what's that?
This is my jersey.
Turn around. Barrett's asleep, but he's got his shirt on. I know you guys might be making fun of me right now, but it's okay. I'm rocking the fanny pack. This thing is excellent. Can't really show you on camera, but I can just dump the camera straight in the fanny pack and it doesn't weigh down my pockets. Got a little bit of cash in there. Man, I don't know why people don't wear fanny packs more often. They're so clutch. It's very hot out here. We're getting ready to watch the parade. Is it gonna be so fun? It's like, what? We are walking to find a spot to watch the fireworks. So we got our lawn chairs, all of our supplies. It looks like there's a storm coming, so I mean, it's a lot cooler outside. We just hope that it's not like thunder and lightning and they cancel the show, because we came a long way to see this, guys. Aaron and I are desperate for snacks. Right over there, boys. It's getting close to fireworks time, but we came prepared. These fireworks are loud, so we've got these big earmuffs for Barrett, but not just that. We've got little earbuds to put in his ears, and then these on top. So you're not gonna hear a thing, okay? You got some cheese in your ears. Hi. Good. And this huge cloud is from the smoke. Wow, we're out of focus. Is that a naked baby? We're trying to wake Barrett up because we want to go catch some lightning bugs, but hello?
Barrett. 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 I'm gonna go get the lightning bug.
You have lightning? Oh, little buddy.
There you go. That's what you're doing in my room.
You wanna go catch some lightning bugs? We're on the search for lightning bugs, okay? Keep your keep your eyes peeled. When you see something glow, that's a lightning bug.
And let go of my hair.
Wait, don't squish him. He's right in front of your face.
Oh, there's a mosquito. Yeah, he bit me and I tried to squish him.
I want to get some grass so they feel safe. Where are you, bugs? I don't know where you went. Where'd they go? Put them in.
What do you get?
Oh, I don't know.
Wait, did you drop them?
I don't know.
I think he fell out.
I don't think you made it in.
No.
Oh man, he fell.
Don't shoot your house.
Hey!
Yeah.
Wow.
Every time we shoot, they shoot back.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. But that was just a bunch of clips from our trip to Ohio. We spent the 4th of July out there visiting my family, so lots of fun. Before we go, I just want to ask you guys a question. What type of like videos do you enjoy most, or do you want to see on this channel? Like the day in the life vlogs, or like challenges, or like sit down and talk videos, or some other type of videos too. We're just trying a whole bunch of different styles, so leave your comments down below, and we'll see you guys back here next week. Goodbye!